सर का आखिरी टाइम है, क्या करें सर?
Pakistan spinner Saeed Ajmal had joked about Tendulkar reaching his end, since he was unable to read his special delivery, the Dusra.
Legend sir, sir का आखिरी टाइम है, क्या करें सर?
And Ajmal's word came true, as this was the last time Sachin Tendulkar walked off the field during one day. Now reflecting back on Tendulkar's last ODI, Ajmal takes a swipe at the Master Blaster. The controversial Pakistani bowler mentions that it is because of him that Tendulkar decided to quit from the ODIs. It wasn't for the first time that Ajmal had trapped Tendulkar. During the 2011 World Cup semi-final, it was Ajmal who had dismissed the Master Blaster, a wicket which Ajmal considers his career's most prized dismissal. With one of the greatest one-day players having called a career in the format, perhaps Ajmal is having free run at Sachin, knowing that he won't have to face him again.